Hi, my name is Gayatri Sitaraman and I run the Instagram account Lift Like Gayatri. I would not say I'm a fitness influencer, पर मैं fitness से बहुत प्यार करती हूँ. I'm a fitness enthusiast. Till I was 27, I never lost any weight. 20 साल से मैंने बस खाया पिया और ऐश किया. And I was 106 kilos when I first walked into the gym at 27 years old in 2017. And I started working out and I started losing weight. 2.5 साल में मैंने 30 किलो से ज़्यादा कम किया था. So I was 72, 73. I think even now I'm around 72, 73 kilos and I'm trying to maintain it and just working with muscle fat composition at this point of time. In my regular job, I am a digital marketer and I have combined my love for digital marketing and social media and fitness into one. इसलिए मैं Instagram पे इतना post करती हूँ. So that's a little bit about me. I have done a couple of certifications related to fitness online and I am also working on pursuing certification from American Council of Exercise so that I can stay connected to fitness my full life. So I would say I tried and I failed many times. जब मैं छोटी थी मैं बहुत खाती थी. जब मैं कॉलेज में थी मैंने इतना टाइम नहीं दिया, इतना मैंने सोचा नहीं फिटनेस के बारे में, हेल्थ के बारे में. ऑफ कोर्स आई वाज अनहैप्पी. मैंने सोचा कि यार आई वांट टू लूज वेट, आई वांट टू लुक गुड, पर मैंने कुछ किया नहीं उसके बारे में. आई थिंक वी ऑल get a little lazy and we start to blame our life and our circumstances, but we don't think कि मुझे कुछ करना चाहिए इसके बारे में. So when I was 27 तब मेरी हेल्थ तो बहुत डाउन थी. I was pre-diabetic, liver infection, I had lot of allergies. Then I thought कि चलो अब तो सीरियस होना ही है फिटनेस के बारे में. तो मेरे पापा ने मुझे जिम में एनरोल किया और हर रोज़ वो मुझे ड्रॉप करते थे जिम में. मैंने कुछ की वहाँ पे वेट लॉस नहीं किया मैंने. आई डिडंट लूज एनी वेट फॉर 6 months. मैं बस जिम जाती थी, मैं एक्सरसाइज करती थी, वापस आती थी और समोसा खाती थी. बट आई डिड मेक वर्किंग आउट अ पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ एंड आई स्टार्टेड लाइकिंग वर्किंग आउट. सो आई थिंक दैट वॉज द फर्स्ट बिग चेंज फॉर मी. एंड देन आई केम टू इंडिया. मैं गुड़गांव आ गई और मैंने सोचा कि चलो अब मैं थोड़ा टाइम और इन्वेस्टमेंट डालूंगी फिटनेस में. सो आई इन्वेस्टेड इन अ पर्सनल ट्रेनर, आई इन्वेस्टेड इन अ डाइटिशियन एंड आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग आउट वेरी सीरियसली इन Feb 2017. Within 1.5 years, with lot of heavy lifting, I love heavy lifting, and clean eating, I lost 35 kilos. And that was the best thing I've done for myself in my life. पिछले 1 साल से मैं बस मेंटेन कर रही हूँ मेरे वेट लॉस को. मैंने और वेट लॉस नहीं किया है, बट आई एम हैप्पी विथ माई वेट. आई एम मेंटेनिंग इट एंड आई एम प्लेइंग विथ मसल एंड fat composition at this point of time and learning more and more about fitness. So that's my fitness journey and I don't think it's ever going to end. It's always gonna be there. I had 5 main challenges. Number 1 was changing my lifestyle. I was not used to doing anything for myself or for my health or for my fitness. So for me it was a very big thing to say अच्छा ये नहीं खाना चाहिए, पार्टी नहीं करना चाहिए, टाइम पे सो जाओ, जिम हर रोज जाना है. You know, I had to make a lot of sacrifices, but I think it was good for me in the long run. Number 2 was finding gym clothes that fit me. सब लोग बोलते हैं कि जिम जाओ, वेट लॉस करो, अच्छे से दिखो, ऑल दैट, बट इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू फाइंड जिम क्लोथ्स टू फिट यू व्हेन यू स्टार्ट योर जर्नी इफ यू ओवरवेट. मुझे इनिशियली मेंस के जिम क्लोथ्स फिट आते थे, तो आई यूज टू वेयर मेंस क्लोथ्स एंड आई यूज टू गो टू द जिम टू वर्क आउट. एंड नाउ आई एम हैप्पी दैट आई कैन फाइंड क्लोथ्स इन माई साइज. नंबर 3 वॉज फीलिंग कॉन्फिडेंट इन द जिम. जब हम इनिशियली जिम जाते हैं तो हमें लगता है कि अरे ये मुझे देख रही है बिकॉज आई लुक फैट और आई एम नॉट डूइंग द एक्सरसाइज राइट. वी लुक एट अदर पीपल एंड वी कंपेयर आवरसेल्व्स एंड इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट टू रियलाइज दैट you have to just look at yourself in the journey. Everybody is looking at themselves. किसी के पास टाइम नहीं है कि वो तुम्हें देखे. So that was a very big thing. Number 4 was pushing myself to do it every day. I think it's important to realize that healthy eating, exercise, lifestyle, it's a lifestyle change. It's not कि 2 महीने करो, किसी के शादी के लिए करो, and then you can go back to your normal life. That's not how it works. You have to do it day in and day out. And number 5 is not listening to anybody. सब लोग कुछ ना कुछ बोलते रहते हैं. Even when I lost weight, people were telling me कि अरे तुम पहले अच्छी दिखती थी. But it's important to just listen to yourself and block out all the voices and just focus on yourself. And I think those were my biggest challenges when I started my journey. मैंने कुछ स्पेशल डाइट नहीं किया. आई डेंट डू कीटो, पेलियो, इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग. आई नेवर डिड एनी ऑफ दैट, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि अगर तुम पूरी लाइफ फॉलो नहीं कर सकते हो तो मत करो. डू वॉट यू कैन फॉलो फॉर योर एंटायर लाइफ. सो आई फोकस्ड ऑन अ सस्टेनेबल डाइट. I increased my protein intake, I switched to complex carbs and I ate more fiber. So breakfast में मैं oats, eggs, multigrain bread, chia pudding मैं ऐसी कुछ खाती थी और मैं अभी भी खाती हूँ. लंच में चपाती, sorghum का चपाती या जवार, quinoa, brown rice, then lots of sabzi, curd, थोड़ा दाल. Protein shake, I used to always have protein shake for my protein intake because I was not able to get from my regular diet, and my dinner was always light. I did a light dinner of sabzi, dal, paneer, soya, combination of protein and fiber, but that is what worked for me and it continues to work for me. So मैंने बहुत रिसर्च किया था बिफोर आई स्टार्टेड माई जर्नी. आई डिड लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च एंड आई रियलाइज कि अगर मुझे 30 किलो से ज़्यादा लूज करना है एंड आई हैव टू डू इट इन अ सस्टेनेबल वे, then the best way to do it for me was heavy lifting. So I did a lot of heavy lifting. I used to do a upper body lower body split, and something controversial, मैंने कोई rest days नहीं लिए थे. So I always trained 7 days a week. I used to do cardio also, but not much initially. Over time, my workout became a combination of heavy lifting, high intensity interval training, functional training, as well as core. So that's what used to work for me and that's what continues to work for me. मैंने योगा भी किया है, कार्डियो भी किया है, because it is important to have a workout that has everything and helps your body improve in the best way possible. So now during lockdown, क्योंकि क्वारंटीन का टाइम है और मेरे पास जिम नहीं है, डम्बल्स नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है घर पे, तो I focus on supersets at home and paused reps to conserve my muscle, and I take very minimal rest so that I can still maintain my muscle mass. And I lift everything that is possible in the house, and that is helping me to retain and stay fit at home as well during quarantine. It would be tough to mention only 1 or 2 people, but I will say that one of my biggest inspirations was my trainer, Rumpi Suhag. He really trained me and pushed me into fitness and said कि अभी तुम्हें यही करना है, यही तुम्हारी life है. So he really did that for me. And I will say my dietitian R. Nikhat, she also really helped me change my outlook towards healthy eating. Healthy खाना boring नहीं है, it's very tasty. अगर तुम थोड़ा effort डालोगे तो it's as tasty as unhealthy or junk food. Also used to follow a lot of Instagram influencers, and although they don't know me, उन्होंने influence किया मुझे. So the Iron Giantess, Sweaty Shweta and Miss Shivangi Bhatnagar. So they are some of my biggest influences when it comes to fitness. I will say that one of the biggest tips I can give is consistency is the mother of everything. तुम जितना भी डाइट कर लो, जितना भी एक्सरसाइज कर लो, अगर कंसिस्टेंसी नाम की चीज़ नहीं है तो यू कैन नॉट सक्सीड एंड स्टे फिट फॉर योर होल लाइफ. सो इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट टू शो अप टू द जिम एंड टू द किचन एवरी डे विथ 100% माइंडसेट, पेशेंस, हार्ड वर्क एंड फेथ इन योर सेल्फ. जितना उसने हेल्प किया है मुझे, नथिंग एल्स हैज हेल्प्ड. So that would be my mantra for fitness. Be consistent and have patience and faith in yourself. So I have never been a person who says कि मुझे 70 किलो होना है, 60 किलो होना है. I never think like that. For me, my goals have to do more than just what I am on the scale. So right now, because it's quarantine time, I've not been lifting very heavy, but मैंने बहुत सारे workouts किए हैं जिसमें मेरा flexibility बहुत improve हुआ है. So I want to do a headstand. I am almost there, 75-80% there. I want to do a full split. ये तो थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, एटलीस्ट अ ईयर और समथिंग, बट ठीक है. इट्स गुड टू हैव लॉन्ग टर्म गोल्स एंड शॉर्ट टर्म गोल्स. सो आई होप टू डू दैट. एंड जब जिम खुलेगा, दैट टाइम माई एम इज टू गो बैक एंड लिफ्ट harder and break all my previous PRs when it comes to lifting. I have done 102 kilo deadlift, so I want to get to 110 kilos once I go back to the gym, and I can't wait for that. तो मैं ऐसे नहीं सोचती कि okay, that person is my rival, I have to beat them. I think it is important to be your own biggest rival. You have to beat who you were in the past, and I feel that I am my own biggest rival. I have to improve over my own performance last week. So for me, I am my biggest rival or competitor. So I think that helps me stay committed and stay dedicated and stay on track with my journey. Definitely, as I mentioned earlier, my trainer and my dietitian are my biggest support. But if I had to think about other people in the industry, I have a couple of Instagram fitness friends, Squats Over Sprints, Mahima Bhandari, Simrit Lives, Sweaty Shweta, and a fitness page called The Quad. They post a lot of fitness related content, and it always inspires me to do better and just give my 100%. I would say that I discovered their page about a year and a half ago, and I've been following them ever since. The best part about the pages, ऐसा नहीं है कि अच्छा अगर तुम्हारे पास 100K followers हैं तब we'll post about you. ऐसा नहीं है. MadFit Junkie gives a chance to every person who is in love with fitness to get their story out there, and I think that's what I appreciate the most about the page. And it's creating a community of fit people who appreciate each other, who support each other, and who encourage each other. So that is one of the best things about this page, and I hope that they continue doing that. And I would like to say thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to share my story, my fitness journey with other people, because you never know who you may inspire. So thank you so much.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like our video and if you want to promote yourself and motivate others, you can connect with us. To connect, you can find all the details in the description. Please like, share and subscribe to my video. To subscribe to my channel, click here. And to watch our previous videos, you can click here. Thank you so much.